Hey there, this is a spreadsheet tutorial on how to use my makeup inventory spreadsheet. I got a special request for this spreadsheet, so this is how to use it. So you've got here at the top, you've got your favorite brand. You can just double click in here and put in the brand name that's your favorite. The next shopping trip, you can double click and choose a date. Today's date, you can just double click and choose the date. I've got an area for skincare, face, eyes, lips, tools, and miscellaneous, and notes and a shopping list. All of these areas are completely customizable, so if you just wanted to change it to something different, you just highlight in, type in the word you want, and hit enter. If you wanted to change this to face, to makeup or something else, whatever heading you wanted to change it to, that would be fine. Hit Control Z to undo whatever you did. So we've got skincare here. You can uncheck all the boxes to start fresh. If you didn't like what I have, just highlight it and then put something else. You can put your favorite brand name in, the quantity that you have, and then the amount, none, low, or in stock, and then expiration dates if they have them. And then you can just check it off when you're done. So there's a place for face, eyes, lips, tools, and miscellaneous. There's a few extra boxes if there was something else that you wanted to add in. Again, if there's, oh look, there's no expiration dates there. Here we go. So if you wanted to print this off, you just go to File, Print. Make sure it says current sheet, landscape, and fit to width, and you can print it off. You can do portrait, and it would print off nicely. If we scroll down, you can a place to put notes. And then a shopping list. So just uncheck all the boxes and then put your item to purchase. And that's it. So also in the README section, it's a tab on the bottom. This is going to be where the link to this tutorial is going to be once I have this video done. So you can just toggle through the different tabs like that. So if you like this spreadsheet and you want to purchase it, click on the link in the description below. And thanks guys, and I hope you have a good one.